Hi, Derek Alba here with Elite 3 Pro. I have Chris Pruet from Stealth Acoustics. How are you doing today, Chris?
Doing good. Thanks,
Nice
sir.
to meet you. Thank you for coming and supporting our region.
Absolutely appreciate it. Hello there. My name's Chris. I'm with Stealth Acoustics. I want to talk to you a little bit about the invisible speakers. So many of you may or may not know that we've been in the invisible speaker category for about 15 plus 17 years now. We live and breathe in the invisible speaker world, so we're not doing anything else like traditional speakers in walls and ceilings. We completely focus on the invisible category. So having said that, we have a couple of models of the two-way. We've got the LR6 and LR8 like you're aware of, but we also have what we refer to as the dual tweeter stereo input, the SLR8G, so that's your stereo LR8. We also have the Diapolito version of the LR3. So whenever you're working with tall ceilings, say 25-foot, 30-foot ceiling, or maybe a further throw distance where the walls may be more, say 40 feet away, the front wall, you could use these for a center channel front stage. And it's really, the Diapolito is really good about getting that dialect in a clearer, further throw fashion so that it's clear and you can understand the concise words that are being spoken. Then we get into the LRX83 and LRX85, which has quickly become the go-to of everything that we sell. The LRX83 is a 3-way 8-inch and it's a fantastic speaker. Don't rival any of the traditional speakers that you're accustomed to hearing, except for you're not going to see it. So we call it classic, custom with a C, because I like to be able to walk into a house and look up and go, well, I don't see the speakers, but I sure hear it and it sounds great. So between the LRX83 and the LRX85, we have what I refer to as the invisible tower speaker. Your LRX85 is a 2-panel system that has a dual 8 running your low mids and low end, and then you have the mid high pack. And so when you team that together with our B30 sub, you have an outstanding audiophile listening area, or great for home theaters. We've got a dealer up in Virginia that's done 7 or 8 of the home theater systems with full LRX85s, and customers just can't say enough about them. So between all of the different options of invisible speakers, we have outdoor speakers, the Stingray IP68, hashtag no rusty grill. There is no metal grill to rust here, so you'll never have to deal with that. Just like all of our speakers, we have a 170-degree dispersion pattern. Makes for a great stereo everywhere effect, so you never have to worry about missing any of the audio action. And we also have patio theater. Patio theater comes in 3 different versions: Extreme, Megalith, and Transformers. So we've got the Jumbotron, if you will, of the outdoor space. So if you want to turn your backyard outdoor space into a Disneyland resort, we're the guys to do that for you. Again, we appreciate Elite 3 Pro and everything you guys do, and we're here at the TOLA Summit for the rest of the day today, and we thank you so much for coming. Can't wait to work with you. My name's Chris. See you next time.